Hello everyone. In today's video, we will delve deeply into 5 fundamental limitations that Satan cannot impose on humans. These subjects will be examined within the framework of spiritual beliefs, historical texts, and philosophical thoughts. In this video, we will thoroughly investigate the effects of these limitations on human life and liberty. Number 5. Tempting without permission. Many belief systems hold that the representative of evil, Satan, has limited capability to directly tempt humans. This belief underscores the power of an individual's free will. For instance, some texts suggest that for evil to tempt humans, it requires the permission of a higher power. This respects the ability of an individual to make their own decisions freely and supports the autonomy of a person in their moral and spiritual choices. Number 4. No ability to read minds. Secondly, it is generally accepted that entities representing evil lack the capability to read human minds. This means that an individual's inner thoughts and intentions are private and closed to external influences. This view sanctifies the inner sanctum of a person and supports the inviolability of mental freedom. It also reinforces the notion that our thoughts and intentions can only be known and managed by ourselves. Number 3. Cannot compel individuals to sin. The third point is the inability of evil to compel individuals into sinning. Many belief systems emphasize that each individual is responsible for their own choices and that entities representing evil cannot coerce individuals to act against their free will. This strengthens the concepts of personal accountability and the freedom of choice. In this context, the origin of sin is often found in one's own internal desires and temptations, supporting the idea that individuals have full control and responsibility over their actions and decisions. Number 2. Limited in causing pain and suffering. Fourthly, the capability of evil to inflict pain and suffering on humans is considered limited. Many belief systems assert that entities representing evil are subject to certain limitations or permissions before directly interfering in human lives. This reflects an understanding of a universal order and justice. This perspective suggests that the adversities brought by evil serve a purpose or a greater plan. It also highlights the potential for individuals to demonstrate resilience and find opportunities for personal growth in the face of hardships. Number 1. Cannot hinder an individual's spiritual journey. Lastly, it is believed that evil cannot obstruct an individual's spiritual journey or salvation. Many belief systems accentuate that every individual has their own spiritual path, which is impervious to external influences. This supports the notion of spiritual autonomy and the sanctity of one's personal spiritual journey. In this context, salvation and spiritual development are linked to an individual's internal endeavors and choices. External influences are thought to play only a limited role in this process. In today's video, we have meticulously examined the 5 fundamental limitations that Satan cannot impose on humans. These limitations are based on the free will of the individual, private thoughts, personal responsibilities, and spiritual journey. Understanding these limitations can bolster individuals' confidence in themselves and enhance their capacity to cope with challenges in their lives. We hope this video has provided you with deep insights into these matters and helped you evaluate them within the context of your own beliefs. That brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you find this type of content interesting, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. See you in the next video.